feeling you have after you exercise, you feel really good, and you can do this through food. These days, it's more important than ever before to keep yourself healthy. So today, I'm gonna show you some super healthy foods that we should all be eating in 2021. I'm gonna be making bucatini with porcini mushrooms and artichokes. And I'm excited to share with you 3 foods that can light up your health. Here are my porcini mushrooms, my artichoke hearts, olives, one of my favorites. What I'm talking about is immunity, brain health, cognition, mental clarity, and circulation. That feeling you have after you exercise, you feel really good, that comes from boosting your circulation, your blood vessels. But exercise isn't the only way to do it, and you can do this through food. This dish I'm going to cook contains ingredients that can activate all 3 of these health properties. What I love about dried mushrooms is you can get them anytime, and you can keep them in the pantry, and you can eat them all year long. A little bit goes a long way. And if you can't get porcini, you can get shiitake mushrooms, you can get morel mushrooms, you can get portobello mushrooms. Almost any kind of mushroom will do. I'm using jarred artichokes, but frozen works too. And I love the fact that the jarred ones are available all year round, they're affordable, and you don't have to mess with all the fuss of preparing fresh artichokes, although those are great too. So we're going to use some olive oil. I love olive oil, it's the healthy fat. Olive oil contains a natural chemical called hydroxytyrosol, which is actually present in the actual olive itself. And I love to actually eat olives while I'm actually cooking. This would be a great appetizer for this dish. All right, now we're going to add some garlic, porcini mushrooms, and then the artichoke hearts. Porcini broth and a little chicken stock, about a cup. Then we're actually going to take about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. A little bit more, but I don't mind. I love tomato paste. And that's just going to create that umami flavor. This is ready for the pasta. And we're just going to put the pasta into the sauce. All right, we're going to put the parsley in. And I don't cook the parsley, we just mix it in. And here it is, bucatini with porcini mushrooms and artichokes. You can actually add some Parmesan cheese, which will make it delicious. Every meal can be packed with flavor and health. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen.